Hello everyone. So the gold is still rising, and as you can see, it has reversed just by 90 pips far from our entry to buy from 3340. Again, my friends, really I'm doing the best I can to catch the gold, but it just keeps rising and reversing before our entry. But hey, at least we got the right correction, or actually the right direction, right? Getting the right direction is actually way better than sending a signal that will actually hit the stop loss. So therefore, again, my friends, I cannot actually send any signal sooner than that, because I have to be very careful and wise about choosing my entries, because actually I cannot lose your trust, which I highly value, and it's actually all what I have here. So therefore, I will just choose the safest entries possible to make sure that you are actually safe and hopefully will make the maximum profits possible. So now, however, what can we do next with the gold? Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, I would like to delete the all signal, because obviously we cannot use it anymore. So let's now head to the daily chart. Now daily chart here shows me something very interesting, which actually I have told you about many times. First of all, I would like to keep the same TP, so no need to change that. However, for the entry, I would like first of all to tell you what's happening here. So here we have, based on daily chart, a support trend line number 1, number 2, 3 and 4, and here a fake breakout happened. And as you can see, my friends, what happened here is, after creating here the support trend line and the fake breakout happened here, the market actually has reversed exactly at the same level of a real support trend line. For those who have been following me for a while, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Always look for an upper trend and look for a real support trend line. Faced here a fake breakout, and then wait for the market to reach the same level of the real support trend line, and there you can place your buy order and hoping for the best, and hopefully the market will reverse exactly at your entry, ignoring of course the fake breakout. And that is literally what's happening right now. So that indicates a continuation in the rise. The gold most likely right now will continue the rise, aiming a 5th attempt of the resistance at 3,430. So therefore, gold again is still rising. Let's now head to the 1 hour time frame. I don't even want to see the 4 hour time frame, because it's actually not necessary right now. Now, based on the 1 hour time frame, if we draw the Fibonacci from this higher high to this lower low, let me just show you what we can see. Simply by that, like that, sorry. Now what we can see right now is actually the gold is actually breaking out from 61.8. Again, don't forget please what we have seen on daily chart. The gold is actually on an upper momentum after retesting the real level of a support trend line, which means gold right now most likely is going to be bullish. Now also, the gold right now is actually above 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and actually on 2nd of August, the gold actually has already reversed at this area. So meaning it actually has reversed already from 61.8 and already also been declined from any bearish breakout below Fibonacci 50, and also the support right here at 3352 has indeed been respected again, and the gold kept rising. And also the gold has respected the support trend line right here, as we can see. All of that says that the gold most likely will continue the rise. So therefore, we cannot actually ignore the support trend line that we have right here. So here again, we are having similar setup. Upper trend, a real level of a support trend line, and then a fake breakout. And again, the real level of a support trend line is being respected. So let me just now zoom in to show it to you. So what we have right here is actually a broken level of a resistance trend line, as we can see. Interesting. So actually we have here a triangle that has just been broken out from. So now we will wait for the gold to retest that structure, or actually that broken structure, to create here a new support trend line. So in other words, the broken level of a resistance trend line most likely will become here a new support trend line. Combining this with the previous level of a support trend line, we're actually hoping to have the best entry when the gold retests this level and then continue the rise, which means we actually can look to buy the gold exactly from the support at 3370. Why 3370? Because if we look at the past, this was actually here a strong key level of a support, and also it was here a key level of a resistance as well. And right now we're actually hoping for the market to respect the same level as a real support, and also it's a little bit below 61.8. So that means we can look to buy at 3370. And let me just reduce the take profit level to be just right here at the previous level of the support at 3420. So the take profit level is going to be 3420, aiming around 400, let's say 500 pips, hopefully gonna be in good profit. However, the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance and support as well, right here, and a previous resistance right there at 347, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 227 pips against 500 pips, hopefully gonna be in profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. Let me just now, guys, tell you something. You can actually expect a small drawdown. Let me just tell you where. Because actually here also we have a real level of a support trend line, as we can see. That's also cannot be ignored. So most likely there is a possibility if the gold will actually not reverse at our exact entry at 3340, at 3370, it actually has a chances to a small drawdown to retest the support trend line right here at, let me just tell you, let me just be precise as much as possible. I believe it's gonna be maximum at 3360. If it actually goes below 3360, then you might actually consider closing the signal in a small loss and wait for a better entry. However, I'm not expecting this to happen. I'm just telling you this is gonna be most likely the maximum of a drawdown. If it actually goes below that, we have to look for the price action to know what we are looking at. Is it a bearish breakout candle or not? But most likely I don't think it's gonna go below this level of a previous support trend line and a support as well. So before we end the video, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. And you can also get to receive one free signal every day on our free channel. Again, the free channel is Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.